Welcome back on this Thursday morning. We are starting off with mostly cloudy skies. As you step out the door this morning, you probably will notice it is a little bit damp and kind of muggy outside from all the moisture that we had yesterday evening and last night. So this morning, you could encounter a little bit of patchy fog in some isolated areas and still some scattered rain showers. But this shows you where we're located at for dew point temperatures. It's a more accurate measurement of the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. So anytime you get into the 60s, just to know it's humid outside. We're towards the upper 50s, so it's more towards more muggy-like conditions. Here's that system that's rolling through the region, brought us those rounds of showers and thunder showers yesterday, and still bringing in some rain showers as it's passing from west to east this morning. Also seeing a few thunderstorms develop right over Lake Michigan. That's going to be headed over towards the western lower peninsula here in the next half hour. So here's that movement of those rain showers. You can clearly see most areas are dealing with some sort of light rain shower activity. A little bit more moderate to heavy rain happening right now, right over parts of Ontonagon. So this is right on the coastline here, right near Ontonagon, just east of Ontonagon, seeing several pockets of more moderate to heavy rain there on the shoreline. The hour by hour has those continuing to track east through midday. This is 12:30, and then in the afternoon they taper off. We'll even see some clearing, so likely some sunshine later on in the day with wind flow out of the north-northwest. Could be a little bit breezy at times, as speeds will be 10 to 15 miles per hour and then gusts of 20. Friday looks great though. It's going to be dry and sunny with a light wind, so definitely going to be a nice day to get outside. As we look towards Saturday morning, it's looking nice as well. Wind flow will be out of the south. We start off dry, and then in the afternoon, we'll start to see a few of those pop-up showers. Now, as far as additional rainfall today, for those scattered rain showers that track through, about quarter of an inch to about half of an inch possible. Here's what a look at your temperatures for today. As I mentioned, it is going to be a cooler day. Most areas will be in the mid to upper 60s. Cooler though near Lake Superior, some lower 70s likely towards the south and southeast along Lake Michigan. Lows tonight will be in the low to mid 50s, and then we're back to where we're supposed to be at. So mid 70s to upper 70s for areas inland. Tomorrow afternoon, we could have an isolated 80-degree reading or two. As we look ahead this weekend, will be a warmer one. We'll dodge afternoon showers for Saturday and Sunday, and then the pattern is going to completely shift by this time next week. That means that the heat and the humidity is going to ramp up, and it's going to be moving back into our region, and this depicts that. So this is the jet stream right now where we're located at. We've got this trough digging through the region, giving us the unsettled conditions and that low pressure that's moving through. But watch what happens as we head towards next week. That moves on out. This big heat dome in the desert southwest starts to move in to a good chunk of the central and the eastern half of the country. That's going to be bringing in some unseasonably warm air for next Wednesday through the end of next week. This is next Friday, so we're several days out, but know that next week is going to be hot and humid.